All right, I need to hurry up before it rains here. Oh my gosh, it is coming. But we have the worker full auto here. This thing we're gonna shoot at our zombie, which is roughly about 50 to 55 feet away. And we got 5 mags here. I'm gonna do full auto, maybe do a few just plinkers. We are shooting at about 131 FPS. So let's go ahead and shoot this and see how things go. So here we go. Whew. Accuracy is pretty good right there, guys. Hope you guys seen that. Not bad, doing a little burst there. So not bad. Even slower shooting is far more accurate. Whew, not bad. And I'm using really horrible worker Gen 3s here. Seems to like 2 and 3 shot bursts super well. Whew. So there you go. There's a quick shooting video, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's legit. It is good. It is good. 2 to 3 shot bursts works really, really good.